How to log out of CoinEx application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to log out of your CoinEx app on your smartphone, then here's how you do it. First things first, launch open CoinEx application on your device and make sure that you're inside this home page. From the home screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. On the next page, go ahead and tap on your username at the top and this will open up basic info. From the basic info section, go all the way at the bottom and you'll see a logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can log back in later. Click the logout button and you have successfully signed out or logged out of CoinEx. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.